Let's make stickers using our LOKLiK Crafter cutting machine. We're going to make die cut stickers as well as kiss cut stickers. Die cut stickers are individual stickers that you could just hand to somebody, they peel the backing off and they can stick it on something. Where kiss cut stickers have the backing still on them, they're still on the sheet, making it a little easier to peel up and stick somewhere. Let's walk through the process. Before we get started making the stickers, I want to go up under Help and check for updates, and I want to show that I am running version 1.9.7 of the software. And then back under Help, I'm going to click on Firmware Update and click on the USB connection to my LOKLiK Crafter cutting machine and show that I am running version 10. All right, so now that we've checked that, let's go under Import, and I'm going to import my logo. And from here, I'm going to click on Extract Contours, and I'm going to use the magic wand, and I'm going to click on that white space to get rid of any of the white, and then I'm going to click on Crop. And I'm going to crop this image down just a little bit. And when I'm happy with the crop, I'm going to click that check mark to get it to accept it and then say Next. And then I'm going to click on this Expand button, and you can see when I do that that the blue outline around my logo is expanding. And I'm going to click that several times until all the little intercut pieces are gone. All these little pieces here. Click that one or two more times. And once I've got that set, I'm going to click on Import. All right, so I'm going to click on my image, and you can see it's looking right now that it's in millimeters, and I'd rather work in inches. So I'm going to right click on that upper right corner and select inch. So now when I'm looking at my my image, it's now in inches, and I'm going to scale that down just a little bit. But before I go too much further, I'm going to click on Connect Device and then Print, then Cut, and cancel that screen so that I can now see that I've got my registration marks on my page so that I know exactly the amount of space I have to work within. So I'm going to reduce that image down to about 2 inches and place that in position. I'm going to click on that blue layer, which is my, my offset layer, and send that to back. And then under Layers on the right, I'm going to click on Shape and then click on Properties and change the color of that background layer to white. Then I'm going to select both layers and I'm going to copy and paste. Position that right the way I want it. I'll select both of those, copy and paste, put those up there. Now the difference with this version of the software is that we only have 2 registration marks, only the ones on the upper left and bottom left. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of those and paste them. Move them in position and do that 2 more times to fill up my sheet. I mean, if we're going to make stickers, we might as well make the entire sheet, right? All right, so now we've got our stickers. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I just want to select the logo and not the offset layer. So I'm holding the Shift key down and I'm just clicking on the logo because these are the pieces that I actually want to print. And then you can double check yourself under Layer and make sure that all the layers that are the images for your logo or whatever it is you're cutting are selected, and then go under Print. There they all are. I'm going to send that over to my printer to be printed. The next thing I want to do is go under Connect Device, and I want to USB connect to my LOKLiK Crafter cutting machine. All right, and then I'm going to select just a few of the background images. I'm going to do maybe half of them as die cut and the other half as kiss cut. So we'll go ahead and click on one of these and select a few of them. All right, so the first 2 rows will be die cut and the bottom 2 rows will be kiss cut. I'm going to go ahead and choose the brand of materials as LOKLiK, although that's not the brand of sticker paper I am using. And I'm going to choose my material as sublimation paper. And I'm going to put my force at 6 and my speed at 5. I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and these will be the die cut stickers. All right, so now I'm going to unselect all of those shapes that we just did die cuts for. And then I'm going to select the remaining shapes from at the bottom 2 rows of our sheet. All right, and then we're going to leave the same material settings, but this time we're going to reduce our force down to 2. and go ahead and cut that, and those will be our Kiss Cut stickers. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed, and click that notification bell to get notified of new videos as we put them out. And here we have our Kiss Cut stickers that are still on the backing of our sheet, and the ones that are stuck on the mat are the die cut stickers that you'd have to peel the backing off individually. The process to make Kiss Cut or die cut stickers within LOKLiK are fairly simple to do, but if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments.